everyone, it's Miss Braun. Some folks were having some issues with PhotoPeach in creating their slideshows, so I just wanted to show you another option in case that applies to you. Another site that you can use is called Kizoa, and once again it is free. You just have to sign up for an account like I have here to create a new slideshow. From the home page here, Movies, Videos, and Slideshows, got a slideshow maker. Then click on My Kizoa. And it will take you to this dashboard page where you can add your photos either from Facebook or your computer. And I'm just going to select a couple of photos of my beautiful kitty Mac on the day I brought him home. And once I do that, I'm going to click on Make a Movie. And then from scratch. I'm going to choose my orientation depending on if I have a landscape or portrait. And then I'm going to choose a template. And I'm going to drag and drop the photos and then confirm whether I want the photos cropped at all or automatically cropped. Oops. And then hit play to see what I've made. And drag and drop each of the photos into their respective frames. I do want to insert the title album. Okay. Then once I've done that, I can click play to see what my beautiful slideshow will look like. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh. Very short and sweet. So then I'm going to save it. I'm going to say Mac comes home. And then I'm going to click Embed into a blog and copy and paste the link here at the bottom and paste it into a blog post. And there you go.